Hi sir, good morning sir. Sir, this is Adala Satyanagasheshu, son of Adala Madhavrao sir. Coming to my home address 4-146 near Register Office sir, and my village name is Vegaswarapuram and it is in Talapudi Mandal, West Godavari district sir. It is in AP. I am from Andhra Pradesh. And coming back to my educational details, I have completed my MSc Chemistry in SSS IHL, Sri Satsai Institute of Higher Learning. It is in Puttaparthi, sir. It is in Puttaparthi, Anandapuram district, Andhra Pradesh. We have to write some exams and then only we can join in SSS IHL University. We have to write 2 exams and 2 interviews for to join in SSS IHL, sir. So this is my MSc Chemistry details, sir. And coming back to BSc and degree. I have completed my degree in APRDC, Andhra Pradesh Residential Degree College. We have to write some exams for this also, sir. RDC set is the exam for this. RDC set, we have to complete RDC set and then only we can join in APRDC. It is under ANU, Acharya Nagarjuna University, sir. And coming back to my intermediate details, and I have completed my intermediate in SKSM and SSK Junior College. It is in Talapudi, nearer to my village, sir. And my 10th details is I have completed my 10th details in completed my 10th in government high school in my village only, Vegaswarapuram, sir. And other qualifications is I have completed the BAd. BEd I have completed, sir, in St. John's College of Education. This is my extra qualification. Extra qualification is BEd as well as, and I have qualified in AP set. AP set is the one of the top exams, sir. AP set I have qualified in AP set, and one more thing is I have the YouTube channel named SSJE Chemistry. Sir, I just want to express my views about teaching profession and Vedantu. So first of all, I am thinking that teaching is not a job. It's our responsibility because parents trusted us and gave their child to develop their character and career. And I am sure that I have capability to raise the students' career as well as their character by my teachings and my teaching methodology, and my speeches. Okay, so I'm sure that I'm very sure that I have capability to raise the students' career and character also. And one more thing, why I have chosen Vedantu. Vedantu is one of the best platform to raise my career growth, to build my career. Okay, sir. Because Vedantu is one of the best platform to learn the subject. Then you can ask one more question when Narayana and Sri Chaitanya is also there to learn the subject. Yes, sir, sure. But I just need online platform. I just want to learn the online platforms also. So I have chosen Vedantu is one of the best platform to learn online material, online matter, and as well as offline and to learn the subject. So, and for my career growth, I have chosen, it's damn sure that I have chosen Vedantu because of my career growth, for to build my career growth. I think this helps a lot for my career. Hi sir. Now I just want to teach one of the important topic in JEE and NEET. It is hybridization. Hybridization is one of the important topic, but so many students are get confused in this hybridization topic. So I prefer to teach this hybridization with some tricks. Okay. Normally in JEE or NEET they will ask what is the hybridization of the molecule. So I will go with examples. For example, if you take CH4, I will teach this hybridization in 4 types, sir. This is the type 1. So CH4 is, what is the central atom here? Carbon is the central atom. So carbon is the first step. One is we have to find out the central atom. So carbon is the central atom. Here carbon is the central atom. So atomic number of central atom is we have to write. So carbon atomic number is 6. 6 minus 2. Minus 2 is fixed. We have to write anything. 6 is minus 2 is fixed. It can change based on central atom atomic number. Here carbon is there, so we have to write 6. So carbon atomic number 6, minus 2 is fixed for everything. So 6 minus 2, 4. So 4 is the number. So we have to keep the dots. How many dots? This number of dots. So 4 is there, so we have to keep 4 dots here. This is step 2. So step 2 is we have to keep these number of dots. So here we are observing 4. So these 4 dots are there. This we have to keep 4 dots. And each dot interacts with hydrogens. So 4 hydrogens are there. So 4 dots interacts with 4 hydrogens. So these are the 4. This is the step 2. So once again I am telling. So step 1 is, first of all you have to find out the central atom. So central atom is carbon. So carbon atomic number is 6. So 6 minus 2 is fixed for everything, every molecule. So 6 minus 2 equal to 4. In step 2, we have to keep dots. How many dots we have to keep? These number of dots. So 4 are there, so we are keeping 4 dots. And each dot interacts with these number of hydrogens. So 4 hydrogens are there, so each dot interacts with 4 hydrogens. Now step 3 is counting. So counting is 1, 2, 3, 4. If the counting is 4, then it is sp3 hybridization. If the counting is 3, then it is sp2 hybridization. If the counting is 2, then it is sp hybridization. If the counting is 5, then it is sp3d hybridization. If the counting is 6, then it is sp3d2 hybridization. If the counting is 7, then it is sp3d3 hybridization. Okay. So what is the count? 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting is 4. Then what it is? sp3 hybridization. So CH4 is what hybridization? sp3 hybridization. CH4 means methane. So methane is sp3 hybridization. Methane undergoes sp3 hybridization. Okay, now second example. I will go with second example. NH3. So step 1. What is the step 1? So step 1 is we have to find out the central atom. What is the central atom here? Nitrogen is the central atom. So nitrogen atomic number 7. So minus 2 is fixed for everything. 7 minus 2, 5. So how many dots in step 2? How many dots we have to keep? These number of dots. So how many dots are there? 5. So we have to keep 5 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to keep 5 dots. So next, hydrogen. It interacts. These dots interacts with hydrogen. How many hydrogens are there? 3 hydrogens are there. So 3 hydrogens interacts with 3 dots. Now here 2 dots left. So we have to round off these 2 dots, and these what we are calling is lone pair. We have to keep round off 2 dots. So what we are calling this round off is lone pair. These 3 are bond pairs. So in NH3 we have 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. In CH4 how many bond pairs? All are bond pairs. So how many bond pairs are there? 4 bond pairs. Is there any lone pair? No lone pairs. So 4 bond pairs, no lone pair. In NH3 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. Okay, this is type 1. In type 2, next counting is there na? So counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Lone pair considered as counting as 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 counting is 4. Then what is hybridization? sp3 hybridization. So counting is 4. Then it is sp3 hybridization. This is type 1. Now type 2. Type 2. Type 2. We will see what is type 2. So type 2 is if I considered PCl5. PCl5. What is the central atom here? Step 1 same. Everything will be same. So what is the central atom here? Phosphorus. What is the atomic number of phosphorus? It is 15. So in type 2 we have to observe the atomic number should not be greater than 10. So what we should do? This atomic number is 15. So we have to write its group. What is the family? Nitrogen. Phosphorus is in nitrogen family. So we have to write nitrogen atomic number. Okay. So we have phosphorus atomic number is 15. So according to the rule, 10, the atomic number should not be greater than 10. So it is 15. So how we will do this? Now we have to consider the family. Phosphorus is in nitrogen family. So we have to write nitrogen atomic number. So nitrogen atomic number is 7. So 7 minus 2, 5. Minus 2 is fixed. 7 minus 2, 5. Oh, okay. Next, in step 2, we have to keep these number of dots. So 5 are there. So 5 dots we have to keep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each dot interacts with, how many chlorines are there? 5 chlorines. Each dot interacts with chlorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now the counting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting is 5. 5 means what is its hybridization? sp3d hybridization. sp3d hybridization. So normally sp3d hybridization is trigonal bipyramidal. Because of time I just want to skip the shapes. So sp3d hybridization. Next, PCl5. One more example I will take. SF6. SF6. Now SF6 is, what is the central atom here? Sulfur. Sulfur atomic number is 16. We have what we know that. 16 means above 10. Atomic number should not be greater than 10. Okay. Now what we should do? Sulfur family. We have to check the sulfur family. So sulfur is in oxygen family. So oxygen atomic number is 8. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2, 6. So these we have to keep these number of dots. So 6 dots we have to keep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots we have to keep. Next, each dot interacts with fluorine. So 1, 2, 3, 6 fluorines are there. So 6 fluorines I am interacting. Now the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So counting 6. Counting 6 means sp3d2 hybridization. So sp3d2 hybridization. So SF6 is sp3d2 hybridization. This is type 2. What is type 1? What is type 2? In type 1, we are observing that below 10, atomic number below 10 molecules. In type 2, what we are observing? The central atom atomic number is above 10. Okay. So in type 2. Now it's type 3. Same process. Type 3 also same process. So in type 3, what we have to do? For example, if we observed any place, so CH3 plus is there. Now the process is plus or minus. What we should do now? So this is type 3. In type 3 we are observing pluses or minuses. So in CH3 plus, what is the central atom? Step 1 central atom we have to find. Central atom. What is the central atom here? Carbon is the central atom. So carbon is the central atom. So carbon atomic number is 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, 4. So these number of dots we have to keep. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In molecule, if plus is there, then we have to remove one dot. If plus is there, then we have to remove one dot. So how many left? 3 left. So each dot interacts with hydrogen. So 3 hydrogens are there, 3 hydrogens are there. Now it's time for counting. So 1, 2, 3. So counting 3. 3 means sp2 hybridization. Counting 3 means sp2 hybridization. One more molecule we have to take. CH3 minus. One more example. So CH3 minus. What is the central atom? Central atom is carbon. So carbon atomic number is 6. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, 4. So 6 minus 2, 4. Now the dots, 4 dots we have to keep. We have to keep 4 dots. And minus means we have to add one more dot. Plus means we have to remove one dot. Minus means we have to add one more dot. Now the counting. Now each dot interacts with hydrogens. How many hydrogens are there? 3 hydrogens are there. So 3 hydrogens. Two left. We have to round off these 2 dots. Now the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting 4. Counting 4 means it is sp3 hybridization. Counting 4 means it is sp3 hybridization. Okay. Next, type 4. Pluses or minuses type 3. Now type 4. Type 4. CO2. CO2. If you consider the CO2 molecule, what is its central atom? Carbon is the central atom. So carbon means 6. Atomic number 6 minus 2 is fixed. 6 minus 2 4. We have to keep these number of dots. 4 dots are there. So what is the side atom here? Oxygen is the side atom. If oxygen is the side atom, then these two dots interacts with one oxygen atom. So two dots, we have to keep two dots with one oxygen atom. So these two dots interacts with one oxygen atom. So now the counting 1, 2. So counting is 2. So counting is 2 means what is its hybridization? sp hybridization. sp hybridization. Okay, we will take one more example. XeO3. XeO3. So Xe means xenon. What is its family? Neon family. Okay. Neon atomic number 10. So 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 means 8. 8. 10 minus 2, 8. Now 8 dots we have to keep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what is the side atom here? Side atom is oxygen. So oxygen means if the oxygen is the side atom, two dots interacts with one oxygen atom. So two dots interacts with one oxygen. So two dots, one oxygen. Two dots, one oxygen. How many oxygens are there? 3 oxygens are there. So 1, 2, 3. So 2 left. We have to round off these two dots. Now the counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 are there. Counting 4 means sp3 hybridization. It is sp3 hybridization with one lone pair. sp3 hybridization with one lone pair means pyramidal shape. Normally sp3 hybridization with 0 lone pairs means tetrahedral. Tetrahedral. With one lone pair means pyramidal shape. With two lone pairs means V shape. V shape or bent or angular. Bent or angular. Okay, I will show you that. sp3 hybridization with 0 lone pairs, tetrahedral shape. sp3 hybridization with 0 lone pair means tetrahedral. The bond angle is 109 degrees. This is the bond angle. 109 degrees 28 minutes. And with 0 lone pairs, with one lone pair means we have to remove one lone pair. One lone pair means this is the shape. What it look like? It is a pyramidal shape. Okay, it's pyramidal shape. So with one lone pair it is pyramidal. Next, with the two lone pairs, what its shape? V shape. So with two lone pairs, V shape it is. So hybridization is one of the important topic in JEE. Now these are the main things. This is the main topic for JEE NET. I have explained based on the tricks. Okay. Okay, the second topic is from coordination chemistry. Hybridization is from first year. Now the coordination chemistry is the second year topic. It is also one of the important lesson from inorganic chemistry. Okay, first of all, I just want to tell you what is coordination compound. What is coordination compound means? If we consider the metal, this metal is from D block element. It is interacts with ligands. For example, NH3. I just want to tell you what is ligand and what is metal. Why the bond is happening here. This metal is a D block element. A D block element. What we are calling is this central metal atom. This is the central metal atom. And this metal is from D block element. D block elements means if you consider the D block elements, scandium is one of the example. Scandium, atomic number 21. 21. So what is its electronic configuration? 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. We will count 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 18, 20, 4s2, 3d1. So scandium electronic configuration is this one. Scandium atomic number 21. We have to count 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 21. Okay. Next 3d1. D means 5 boxes. D means 5 boxes. D subshell having 5 orbitals. dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square minus y square, dz square. So how many electrons are there in d orbital? One electron is there, so we are giving one electron here. Okay, here clearly we are observing that these four d orbitals are empty. These four d orbitals are empty because of empty orbitals in d subshell. It has the capacity to occupy or to accept electrons. It has the capacity to accept electrons because of these vacant orbitals. So if I keep scandium here, it has the capacity to occupy electrons. It has the capacity to accept electrons from where? From ligands. So central metal atom means the capacity, the acceptor. It is an acceptor. What acceptor? Electron acceptor. So central metal is, it looks like an electrophile. It's in a Lewis acid. It behaves like a Lewis acid. So central metal atom means it's in a d block element which accepts an electron pair because of vacant d orbital. Okay, then what is ligand? Ligand means it is a donor. What donor? Electron pair donor. To whom it gives to central metal atom. Ligand is an electron pair donor because it is donating their electron pair to the central metal atom. So here NH3 donating their electron pair to the central metal atom. So NH3 acts as a ligand. So here also NH3 donates its lone pair to the central metal atom. Then here also NH3 acts as a ligand. So ligand means which donates electron pair to the central atom. So central metal atom. So this is called ligand. Next, what is coordination number? For example, if we consider PtCl4 minus 2, PtCl4 minus 2, or PtNH3 twice, PtNH3 twice Cl2, PtNH3 twice Cl2. Here, how many are there? Platinum interacts with 2 NH3 molecules and 2 Cl2 molecules, 2 chlorines. So platinum interacts with 2 NH3 and 2 chlorines. So coordination number means the number of ligands attached to the central metal atoms. So how many ligands attached to the central metal atom? 4 ligands attached to the central metal atom. So coordination number is 4. So number of ligands attached to the central metal atom is called coordination number. So coordination number for this molecule is 4. For this molecule also coordination number 4 because 4 chlorine interacts with the platinum molecule. So coordination number 4 for this molecule also. Okay, next, coordination sphere. What is coordination sphere? Coordination sphere means here the square brackets indicates the coordination sphere. This is the coordination sphere. Means for example, if we take K2HgI4, K2HgI4, here the square brackets indicates the coordination sphere. In coordination sphere, we have metal and ligands which are bonded to each other. So this is the coordination sphere. So in coordination sphere, what we are observing? The metal and the ligands which are attached to the bonded atoms, which are attached to the central metal atom. So this is the coordination sphere. Next, what is ionic sphere? Ionic sphere means this is the ionic sphere. Ionic sphere, what it helps? Ionic sphere helps to balance the molecule, helps to balance the charge of the molecule. Okay, so this is ionic sphere. Ionic sphere can ionize, but coordination sphere cannot ionize. So if you break this, it breaks into 2K plus HgI4 minus 2. HgI4 minus 2. Here it can observe that ionic sphere can ionize, but coordination sphere cannot ionize. It does not break into ions. Next, ionic sphere. Homoleptic complex, heteroleptic complex. Homoleptic complex means in the coordination sphere. In coordination sphere, if we observe this molecule, then what are the ligands here? All chlorines, all are chlorines, all are same type of ligands, means all are chlorine atoms. Okay, if the ligands are same, then it is homoleptic complex. If the ligands are different, then the complex is heteroleptic complex. If we consider here, then all are chlorine atoms. So these are all ligands are same. Then it is called homoleptic complex. Now here you can observe. Here you can observe NH3 twice and Cl2 twice. Cl2 means two different ligands are there. Two NH3s, two chlorines. So different are not. So if the in complex, if the ligands are different, then the complex is said to be heteroleptic complex. Heteroleptic complex. Then the heteroleptic complex. Okay, this is the coordination chemistry. This is the introduction part of the coordination chemistry. Sir, I will conclude myself with these 5 questions, sir. How would you ensure that students actively participate in the discussion? Yes, sir. Actually, teaching methodology. Teaching methodology is the main criteria for students participating actively. Based on my teaching methodology, I will explain any topic. Mainly, if the topic is related to 3D model explanation, I will definitely go through 3D model explanation. And I will prefer digital board explanation. I'll prefer digital board explanation because student actively participates, actively learn, try to learn the subject if it is digital board explanation. So I think this for participation, students participation is mainly based on the teaching methodology. Next question: how do you deal with the different learning paces among students? Yes, sir. Seating arrangement is the main criteria for students, because in the classroom we can observe toppers and dullers. I know that after 1 month I know that who is topper, who is duller. I will arrange them. I will arrange their seating arrangement. One topper besides him, one duller. So it will helps a lot for me to teach the subject easily, because topper always try to help the duller. Okay, sir. So seating arrangement is the main criteria, I think, sir. Next, describe how you address a disruptive student without discouraging them. Sir, the thing is, I will never discourage any student, because I know the pain of the discouraging, sir. Because I know the pain of discouraging, and I will try to encourage them based on the students' capabilities and based on the students' activities. Based on the student, mainly I will encourage based on the students, sir. So I will never discourage them, because I know how to what's the pain behind that. Share an instance where you had to explain something difficult and how you felt when it was understood. Yes, sir. Actually, I will try to learn the subject. If I know the subject also, if I know the topic also, I will try to teach in an easy way. Okay, in an easy way, because I have the power. I would have easily get the subject, sir. I have easily get the topic, but it is not the learning, it is about the teaching. I should teach in an easy way. The student should understand means I should teach in an easy way. So I will refer the books and I will refer the any online videos, based mainly because of I should teach in an easy way at that topic. Okay, sir. So I will refer the books, and I will other online videos, any other things. So I will try to teach the method easily. Even I know the topic also. Next question: how do you inspire the students to develop their love of learning? The fifth question I asked, sir. Actually, I prefer teaching mainly because the students should get interest in the students should get interest in chemistry. Because everyone should get interest in chemistry, sir. So the main purpose I have chosen teaching is to encourage the students towards chemistry. So I have to teach in an easy method, and I have to teach them with the love of learning. Means I have to give some examples, and I have to give live examples. I have to give live examples. For example, in some topics are there, sir, like Henry's law. Henry's law, I have to give some examples, live examples. So in chemistry, so many examples are live examples are there, sir. So I have to give maximum live examples for them to learn the subject chemistry. Okay, sir. This is why I am concluding this. Thank you, sir.